Here we are in New York. The British delegation is about to go on board HMS Queen Elizabeth, that fantastic showcase of British capability, engineering and technology. So we're going to go on board, we're going to meet the American counterparts of those leaders, and we're going to talk about a huge number of areas where we can work closer together on free trade and on partnership to strengthen the transatlantic relationship.
So, Julian Clark from Dickinson, here we are in New York, about to get on board the Queen Elizabeth, our new aircraft carrier, to launch the Maritime Nations Forum and see just how closely and how wonderfully we can link London and New York, already well linked, but just taking this further under the flying the flag of Maritime UK. Absolutely excited and delighted to be here.
It's exciting to be here in New York City with the Maritime UK trade delegation, talking up the opportunities for a new trade deal with the USA.
I'm Murray Berwick, the Managing Director of BMT's Defence and Security Division. Delighted to be here today in New York, looking forward to meeting our US counterparts this afternoon, and what better platform than to host these conversations about how we can better reinforce trade between the UK and the US. QEC, the Queen Elizabeth carrier, is a programme very close to my heart, being in BMT. We were intrinsically involved in the early design of that platform with our friends in Thales UK, and really there's no finer showcase of British design, technology and manufacturing than that platform.
Hi, absolute pleasure to be here as part of the Maritime Nations delegation. It's been a real honour, and some really good business has been done. I'd like to thank Maritime UK for their support, and we look forward to what we think will be a great afternoon and evening.
Mawdsley, Development Director of Peel Holdings. Delighted to be in New York, supporting Maritime UK and Mersey Maritime Bays and DIT. Out here as a trade mission to look at furthering relationships with one of our oldest and most valuable partners in the form of the States. From Peel's perspective, investment in the Port of Liverpool, bringing a lot of goods from America, and what we're looking to do is to increase that trade for the good of both of our nations.
Together, the USA and the UK created today's rules-based order, and the question now is, what do we do about that in the future? So I'm delighted to be here today, and I warmly congratulate Maritime UK for arranging it, and we will continue to work with the Department for International Trade and the Ministry of Defence in the furtherance of what we see as a wonderful opportunity for British business in the maritime domain.